we're going to take a look at how to use the chatter feed to collaborate and share on reports and dashboards. So the first thing we're going to do is take a look at one of our reports. Once this opens, we can see that we have our little collaborate icon here. When we click on this, this is going to open a chatter feed. And now we can post questions, maybe updates if you've changed something in the report and you want to notify the users. So we can mention people here, just like any other chatter feed on any of your other objects. But a really good, useful way to have that back and forth related to a specific report or dashboard and keep it all tied to that. That way it's all in one place. Great for validating the results, commenting on any updates that have been made, and looking at trends. So we can see that that's pretty easy to do here on the report. If we go back to our dashboard though, we don't see the same icon. And the reason for that is that we need to actually enable feed tracking on that object. So if we click over to setup, we will go to our feed tracking. And we just need to enable it. It's already on reports as we saw. We need to enable it for dashboards. And all we have to do is literally check this box and hit save. And now when we go back to our dashboard, we'll just refresh our page. Now we have our icon. So we can open up, we can do the same thing. We can also, within our charts, we have a collaborate button so we can actually share the chart in a post. And this post could go to an individual, it could go to groups. Just keep in mind that when you share this in this feed, you're placing this basically image in there. People that may not have access to the underlying dashboard or reports would be able to see the image. So just be careful if you're sharing that, maybe with external chatter groups. Just keep that in mind. But again, great way to validate your results. If you're making any updates to major dashboards that people are using, I always use this to kind of post a notification. Then you have all your regular text options. You can add additional images and emojis and mention anybody you want in here. But really good way to go back and forth on your reports and dashboards, especially when you're rolling them out, to get some feedback on design, maybe chart types, color schemes, those sort of things.